Hey everyone, Bruce, 51 NAPCO. I'm making a special video here. This is a special shout out to Aaron and Clayton. They're the owners of EMF Rod Ends. Let me see if I get the address correct. Yeah, it's emfrodends.com. Sounds like they're going to be able to help me make these tie rod ends for the NAPCO. So I just wanted to take a couple measurements and maybe get a little advice from Clayton to see if we could do what I'm thinking might be a good idea. Okay, my battery's dead in this caliper, but I'm using the tenths, and that to me, if I can line it up holding the phone here, I would call that 3/4 75 hundredths, or close enough for this. And what I would like to do is, because here, let me show you over here on the actual old NAPCO steering knuckle itself. Let me steady it. If you can see, I actually had to have the knuckles machined and a bushing made and pressed into place. So what I was thinking might be an idea, and I don't know if it's a good idea or not, is maybe make the length of the threads a little longer and then use a large area washer to stabilize that bushing area and the knuckle with a larger washer, and maybe even make it a larger diameter right here, so all it is a spring. It'll be spring loaded on the threads, and then use a smaller washer or a larger washer that fits better. But anyway, basically what I'm trying to get at is an area washer instead of just a regular washer to stabilize that hole, and making it out of some substantial metal. So anyway, that's my idea. Tell me what you think, or just going with a standard castle nut and cotter pin. Anyway, let me know what you think. Okay, these threads are 1/2 inch. Okay, it's a little difficult doing it with one-handed, but here's this measurement. Looks like 70. Okay, then you're looking at about 60. I'd say it's probably about 95 hundredths, and there's a little bit of a chamfer here on this right here that would take it to 1 inch, if I'm pointing the camera correctly. Okay, now here's center of body and end to end of taper. About 2 inches. Well, I hope those measurements help. And also, I would be curious to know how standard this tie rod is, just by these measurements alone, except for the female part right here. Anyway, I hope this helps.